Staring down thousands of lines of raw, unfamiliar code can be paralyzing. Writing technical documentation from scratch for complex, undocumented code bases is a highly tedious task in software development. Imagine an editor that reads your entire repository, writes the documentation for you, and pushes it directly to version control. In this workflow, we will use Easyeditor to generate comprehensive technical documentation using AI and commit it using the built-in Easy-Git workflow. This diagram shows the setup. You need a local computer running Easyeditor connecting to a local Git repository. Easyeditor bridges the two. Notice the Git repository node. It represents a typical project folder completely lacking any documentation files. We are starting from zero. Automating this process accelerates project management. It ensures that every developer has exact team alignment from day one without wasting hours writing manual summaries. Step 1. Launch Easyeditor and open your existing local Git repository so it populates the File Explorer sidebar. Create a new blank Markdown file. This will serve as the destination for our generated documentation. The core engine driving this automation is the Easy AI Personas framework. Navigate the user interface, open the Easy AI drop-down menu, and select the documentation persona. This diagram illustrates the repo scan feature in action. It reads your local environment by sweeping through the folder hierarchy to sequentially process your code. As the data flows, the AI reads the project file by file, extracting the exact system architecture and context required for documentation. Back in the editor window, you will see comprehensive text auto-populating in real time as the scan completes. Because the scan checks every individual file, it eliminates blind spots. The resulting documentation directly mirrors the actual state of your codebase. Step 2 is the review phase. Easyeditor uses a split-screen workspace, displaying raw Markdown on the left and formatted graphical output on the right. Warning tone. Language models can sometimes produce incorrect or misleading technical reporting. Manually audit the AI-generated text. You must guarantee it accurately reflects your specific project management goals before proceeding. This diagram illustrates how Easyeditor handles complex elements like Mermaid or UML. Raw bracketed syntax transforms instantly into a structured visual hierarchy tree. Real-time previews catch syntax errors immediately. Making manual tweaks to the text triggers instant structural updates to the visual output. AI provides a highly capable drafting tool. Rigorous human verification serves as the essential final filter for accurate technical communication. Step 3. Finalize your reviewed documentation by saving the file. Use a standard naming convention like readme.md or docs.md. Open the Easy-Git integration panel. External terminal windows and third-party Git clients are completely unnecessary. Locate the explicit stage box next to your new Markdown file and check it. Failing to check the staging box is the primary cause of uncommitted files and Git push errors. Ensure it is selected. Write a clear, descriptive commit message. An example format is Docs Initial AI-Generated Technical Documentation. This diagram breaks down the final automated action sequence. The input node is stage, the packaging node is commit, and the transmission node is push. Click Commit, then Push. A success notification appears, confirming your payload reached the remote repository. Integrating version control directly into the writing environment smoothly closes the loop. Project knowledge is permanently preserved exactly where the code lives. Step 4. Open up your remote repository platform in a standard web browser to independently verify the successful documentation upload. In minutes, you moved from an entirely undocumented codebase to a fully documented, visually appealing, version-controlled project. You completed this entire sequence without ever switching windows or breaking your deep focus. From here, you can explore other Easy AI personas, generate user stories, architect code fixes, or test secure SSTP encryption. Professional documentation is no longer a dreaded bottleneck. It is an automated, fully integrated feature of the modern development workflow.